Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert hyperlinks in your tasks and projects on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So access your project on GanttPro in the first step. You can do that by navigating to all projects on the left handle or panel, here, for example, and select one of your projects. And after that, here inside your projects, go with one of these views. Let me go with the list view and simply click into the given task here under task name to access the task settings. So guys, if you'd like, for instance, attach important instructions to your task so that your team members may use these instructions, for example, in PDF file format or from a file from Google Drive, for example, you may do that by uploading and by attaching the hyperlink, not by uploading, but by attaching the hyperlink to your task description. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply click into that comment field here or task description. And what you want to do next is, let me enter, for example, type in instructions here. And then what you want to do is highlight the text, use that button here, and after that you will see that field enter link. So here you may simply enter the link of the hyperlink you would like to use. So let me go with, I don't know, Google.com, highlight the link or the URL, paste it here, click into save, and that is going to add the hyperlink to your task's description. The other option, guys, would be to simply use attached files like in PDF documents, Word documents, or photos and images in JPEG file format. You can do that too. But that's how you hyperlink in tasks on GanttPro. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.